In this video, I'll show you how you can redirect your GoDaddy domain to any other website which is on the internet. So what you first need to do, you need to go to GoDaddy.com and make sure you're logged into your account here. You can see I'm logged in. Now when you're logged in, you want to go to My Account and then go to Domains, and that will take you to a list of all of the domains that you own. So once we're here, we should see all of the domains. You can see I've only got one domain, so I'm going to use this domain as an example. So click on the domain that you want to redirect here, and it will take you into kind of like the back end of that domain. You can then click here where it says use my domain, and it will then redirect us to the page that we need to be on. So it will prompt you to try and make a website with that domain. But if we just want to redirect it to another website, we can scroll down and we want to choose this one here, forward to an existing web page. So if you go and click on that, it will then take you to the next step. And here what you can do is you can forward it to a website builder, or if you keep on scrolling down, you can forward it to any URL. So for the video, I'm just going to redirect it to Google. So once you've typed in the URL that you want to redirect it to here, click next, and it gives you an example here. When your user goes to your domain, they'll be redirected to Google in my case. So I'm going to click finish, and it should then apply those changes. So once those changes have been applied, it may take 5 to 10 minutes for everything to get set up. But once those have been applied, we can now go and check. So if I go to www.videoexample12345.com, and you can see it just straight away redirects us to Google. So I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.